Hi guys, it's Amb and I'm back here with another video today. As you guys can see, I am still rocking my Goddess Locs, and I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know how I basically maintained it from cleansing all the way up to what oils I was using when my scalp got a little itchy. So if you guys would like to know how I did that, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with how I cleansed my scalp all the way up to what oils I was using. So the first thing I did was grab a spray bottle, excuse the appearance of her, but I just grabbed a spray bottle and I just put some Braids apple cider vinegar inside. I used about this much water and then I poured the apple cider vinegar inside to dilute it a bit. And I just spray, and I just kind of like, you know, rubbed it in wherever my scalp was exposed. I rubbed it in, and basically as I was doing this, you guys, my scalp, I could literally see the oil and all the gunk just lifting from my scalp. It was beautiful. It was amazing. It was refreshing. It was, I'm gonna stop being extra. But okay, I'm gonna move on into the shampoos because I did not want my scalp to smell like apple or cider or vinegar. So I used the Shea Moisture Africa Water Mint and Ginger Detox and Refresh Hair and Scalp Gentle Shampoo. And it was this one. It looks like this is with the light green packaging. This one is really good because it's got activated charcoal and a punchia extract in it, and basically it has like a minty feeling of, you feel like a minty sensation on your scalp, and it feels so good when you're just washing and just really just trying to, you know, get all the gunk out, and in this case the apple cider vinegar along with the gunk. So yeah, this one was really good, and this I actually got from Marshall's for like $7.99. I don't believe that it's still available in like a CVS or a Walmart or places like that. So a little tip, if you are needing like a shampoo or conditioner, or I even got a curl enhancing smoothie from Marshall's or Ross one time. They have plenty of hair products. I've seen Jane Carter in there. So just a little tip, and it's at a discounted price, so you don't have to pay full price. Just like this bottle here, it would probably be around $11 or $12.99 at like a Walmart or a CVS or someplace. So yeah. Okay, and the next thing I have is conditioner. I have this one I actually mentioned to you guys before in my last video, I believe, but it is the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Daily Damage Repair Restoring Conditioner, and it's for extremely damaged over processed hair. It's got almond milk, it's got aloe butter and shea oil in it, which explains why I love it so much, because it's so moisturizing. But this was not the only thing I used. This was actually half of a duo. I actually also used with that the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist. This was amazing. I was in the middle of I was getting ready to rinse out the almond milk one actually, and I was like, I haven't used my Aussie. Let me see how this is gonna, you know, do your girl as far as, you know, like bringing back that moisture in my hair. So this was really, really good. I cannot lie. Like, when I actually rinsed this one out, my hair was so soft. I didn't add any leave-in to it. I didn't feel the need to oil it right away. It was amazing. Everything was just right how it was. Just it was amazing. It's just everything was just everything. Okay, that's the only thing that I can say to you guys. So now I'm going to move on into what oils I was using, and I'm pulling everything from this box, by the way, in front of me. Y'all know I like a box. I got a box. I have is the Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil, and it's obviously got mint and almond in it, and it's pure, simple, and natural according to the packaging, and it is just that. I do agree. You guys actually saw this one in my last video as well. And then I also have the Jamaican Black Castor Oil in Original. This one is really good too. I like the thickness of this. My hair really likes thick oils. It likes Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It drinks it. And also vegetable glycerin, which I am out of and I need more of. Note to self. But these two together were amazing. This one is a little lighter than the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, but it's still really good, and it's still very, very moisturizing. It's good to seal your ends if you don't have locks in, or, you know, things of that nature. I like to use this with my wash and go before I use my Eco Styler, but this is really good, and it's got that mint sensation in it as well, which is very, it's amazing when your scalp is hollering, girl. When your scalp is hollering, you need something with some mint in it, something that's going to cool it down, something that's going to get it together, restore whatever is going on up there, because you need moisture. And you move your protective style, your hair should be moisturized. It shouldn't be dry. It shouldn't be, you know, thirsty in any type of way. It should be very, very, very much moisturized. And if it's not, you know that you're not moisturizing your scalp. If it's dry, then you know you haven't moisturized your scalp enough prior to your protective style. But these are a great duo because, like I said, this one is light and this one is a little thicker. So together my hair drank it and it was happy. So that concludes this video. I told you guys it was not going to be long. Let me know if you guys try any of these. I know the summer and the spring is coming and we're going to be doing box braids and feed-in braids, more locks. I may even go longer next time, girl. You never know. Let me know what you use, what you like, what you don't like. How you use, if you use a different method to your apple cider vinegar, let me know. If you have another concoction that you've come up with to cleanse your scalp while you're protective styling, let me know. Let your girl know I want to try it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.